Oke, Viola kan pengen Dampf Nudeln,
Iya.
ya. Tadi kita bikin klepon, sekarang kita bikin sesuatu yang sangat-sangat Jerman,
Oke.
ya. Dampf Nudeln. Kalau mau ditranslate apa ya, itu steam buns lah, ya nggak? Kurang lebih ya. Steam buns kayak bakpao lah, ya
Oke.
nggak? Cuman bakpao
Biasa ada bakpao
ala
telur
Jerman
asin,
lah. Ya.
ada bakpao telur asin, ini bakpao Jerman.
Betul.
You put German inside.
Oke, masaknya gampang banget ya. Ini untuk itu kita butuh tepung. Ini saya punya tepung terigu. Kemudian ada ragi, yeast yang kering, dry yeast, garam, sedikit gula, dan ada minyak. Kalau mau pakai butter juga boleh. Saya pakai minyak karena minyak biasanya bikin adonannya lebih lembut lagi. Ya nggak? So, ini sekitar tepungnya. Ups. Ini sekitar 400 gram nih ya. Yang lainnya cuman out of feeling aja ya.
Oh.
Ini sekitar ya 7-8 gram. Terus biasanya kasih garam sedikit, eine Prise Salz, ya. Just a pinch of salt, a little bit sugar to work the sugar and salt to work the yeast basically. Kemudian dikasih minyak 1 tablespoon lah. Oops, that's enough. Ya. Taruh di sini. Kita nanti butuh minyaknya untuk kita masak nanti, ya. Sama kita butuh garamnya juga nanti untuk kita masak.
Oke.
Ya. Yang lainnya oke sudah. Kemudian susu kita masukin sambil kita ngaduk ini, ya.
Filosofi di balik Dampf Nudeln ini apa sih emangnya, Chef?
Cerita di belakang Dampf Nudel ini, coba aja Google.
Oke.
Saya pengen tahu apa sih tulisannya.
Oke.
Saya sambil ini ya, sambil ngaduk ini ya.
Siap.
Kita sambil aduk ini. Nah ini sambil kita ngaduk, kita masukin susunya pelan-pelan ya ke dalam sini. Kita harus lihat bahwa adonannya ini agak lembut ya. Kalau memang kurang, kita tambah lagi susu.
But not sticky, right?
Not sticky. Jadi kuncinya untuk adonan ini, karena ini adonan yeast ya, jadi harus memang adonan ini harus nanti istirahat. ya.
Wow. Ini ada bahasa Indonesianya loh.
Oh ya? Coba.
Dampf Nudel adalah hidangan tradisional di Jerman bagian selatan.
Ah,
Dampf Nudel dibuat dari adonan ragi dan dibentuk menjadi bola. Bola tersebut dimasak dan dipermainkan oleh Bayern München.
what?
Bukan. Bola tersebut dimasak dalam panci dengan sedikit cairan. Cairan ini adalah susu dan mentega di kawasan Pfalz.
Pfalz ya?
Where are you from?
That's where I'm from ya.
Cairan
Pfalz.
ini adalah air asin dan mentega.
Ya.
Oke. Wow, sejarah. Asal-usul hidangan ini dimulai pada abad ke-16 saat Jerman berperang selama 30 tahun. Ini adalah saat ketika makanan sedang langka di negara ini dan situasi yang sulit memaksa seorang pembuat roti Jerman menemukan resep Dampf Nudel. Dipercaya bahwa tentara Swedia yang lapar tiba di sebuah kota di daerah Pfalz di Jerman. Mereka kelaparan dan akan melakukan pembunuhan jika tidak diberi makanan yang baru matang. Johannes Muck, seorang tukang roti, mengambil resiko dan memutuskan untuk membuat sesuatu dengan sedikit tepung dan bahan langka lainnya. Dan beginilah cara Dampf Nudel ditemukan.
Nah,
I didn't know that.
Amazing.
Dan-
Jadi
dan- Iya.
ini adalah makanan yang menyelamatkan nyawa-nyawa di satu desa di Jerman saat itu.
betul.
Kalau gitu.
Dan itu di desanya sebetulnya tempat saya dulu tinggal.
Namanya?
Nama desanya Fregenfeld.
Oh,
Di situ ada gate ya,
Ya.
ada pintu gate itu di tengah-tengah desa. Itu memang pintunya itu gate-nya itu bentuknya kayak Dampf Nudel yang banyak Dampf
Wow.
Nudel. Jadi it's from sandstone gitu loh. Really nice ya. Nah itu menjadi ya itulah historinya.
Jadi yang
kebetulan
sekarang-
aja sih.
Iya, tapi sekarang yang kita mau makan ini
Iya,
adalah
ini.
makanan penyelamat jiwa.
Betul.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Degan itu nama apa sih? Nama Jawa.
Jawa lah.
So what does it mean, Degan?
Kelapa muda.
Oh really?
Yeah. When you go to Jawa kan namanya The Gun, you can find it on the side street. Es The Gun.
As Degan, iya.
Es kelapa muda.
I thought it was just
No, it's
S made by another guy.
no, no.
I really thought so. I mean, like, you know, nasi goreng, ibu, whatever.
I know,
right? I
kayak
mean, like,
misalnya tukang cukur rambut gitu, I thought everybody...
Nobody has a name Degan, only me. Otherwise, it's a kelapa gitu loh.
Okay,
not a common name. Then.
so why it's not a common name?
No,
Why
it's
did
not
your jadi nyokapnya Chef Degan tuh bisa ngasih nama
My dad.
Your dad?
Jadi waktu itu mama saya lagi ngidam, bukan ngidam, lagi hamil. Terus nggak enak, ada komplikasi gitu kan, nggak enak. Terus disuruh minum air degan, air kelapa. Pas minum air kelapa jadi sembuh. Terus my father had the idea, just call him Degan.
My
Because if he will be working in di luar negeri atau nanti sana, nobody know what it means, but it's easy to pronounce and easy to Degan kan. Terus akhirnya ya itulah, my mom was upset in the beginning, you know. And my dad said, don't worry, one day he will be known for his name.
Wow. Dan habis itu your dad what left atau?
No, my dad passed away.
Oh, passed away.
My dad passed away. Tapi yeah, but and when I was young, when I was a kid, when we lived in Jogja, I lived once with my grandma.
Okay.
You get bullied, man, if you have a name like that. As a kid, you get bullied, man.
Oh my
And-
goodness.
And yeah, but when I was in Germany, nobody know, right?
Ya, dipanggilnya apa? Degan atau
Degan.
Degan?
Degan.
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 Wow.
Nobody knows. So.
Di sini
But usually orang Jawa tahu lah. Jadi orang Jawa tahu, oh, gitu. Kok namanya Degan?
So you'll never move to Jawa, like to
No,
Central
it's
Java
okay.
again.
Get used to.
untung nyokapnya nggak ngidam pisang gitu ya. Lucu ya, chef pisang.
Atau terasi. Ya. So I will. Yeah, it's getting better now.
Yeah,
Nah,
that's
sekarang
Yeah, that's
ya.
good.
Nah,
Yeah.
so now what we do is kita simpen ini. Ya. Kalau seandainya mau pakai tangan juga bisa ya, kalau mau gini, tapi capek lah ya, buat ada mesin enak. So sekarang kita simpen ya. Saya sudah punya yang sudah jadi ya.
Whoa, this is how it feels like to be in a.
In a
So
cooking
you
show.
don't have to wait.
Oh yeah,
And,
how
see,
convenient.
check this out. Now see, yeah,
Beautiful.
see. So what we do now, we take this one out. You can basically use this one. Yeah, you want to roll it or you want to mau di roll?
Well, in my family, we roll
What do
it
you do?
like this thick, and
Up
then
to
we
you.
take a glass and we cut it out.
Up to you. You want to
Or
roll
any
it?
other
I have a
way.
rolling pin. You want?
Yes, please.
My rolling pin. Here we go.
Here.
Rolling pin. You can roll it here. You want to roll it here? Can
Okay,
also.
here.
Okay. This we move away.
So have you cut onions or garlic on this board?
Very seldom. Then we clean it. So I move out.
Oke.
So sekarang untuk ini kita bisa bikin sausnya.
Sausnya pakai
Mungkin
apa?
kita bikin vanilla sauce kali ya.
Sounds good.
Enak?
Kalau telur
Oke.
asin jadi dimsum.
Ayo. Jadi sambil Lamviola cut the dough, I'll make vanilla sauce.
Ooh, it's
So
hard with this
how
glass.
how will it be kayak nanti jadi kayak bakpao gitu? It's
It's easier with a normal glass.
oh ya,
Yeah. Yeah, it's not really.
nggak kepotong soalnya.
Oh, can I have a little knife? Oh, I found it. Okay.
Cari apa? Oh,
Nggak knife.
It's just cut. So we get the shape right, you know?
dulu pernah saya punya restoran kan,
Ya.
namanya Cafe Degan kan?
Oh. As in Degan.
Di Bali ya, di Bali. Kemudian
Thegun
Nah,
atau?
Degan.
Oh,
Mana?
jadi D-E-G-A.
Iya, Degan.
Oke.
Terus ada yang nyari tempatnya kan, kasih tahu namanya
Degan.
apa? Cafe Degan. Dicarinya
Degan.
kok Cafe Degan gitu loh. Nggak ketemu katanya.
Ya. Maksudnya di Bali ada tempat kopi namanya Revolver gitu. Might as
Yes,
well.
exactly.
You should make like,
Yeah, exactly.
you know.
Exactly. How is she doing? Good.
Well, the last one, kind of.
What happened? How many you get? How many you get out of it? How many you get out of it?
5 so far.
Five?
Five pretty ones.
Okay.
Almost pretty ones.
Too low, too.
And the rest will be not so pretty.
What's your favorite German food?
My favorite German food?
Yeah.
Zwiebelrostbraten.
Oh, of course.
yes.
Yum.
Oh,
yeah. Apa itu, Chef?
It's basically a steak with fried onions and an onion sauce, basically.
Ooh.
Oh, it's so
Yes.
good.
There is one good restaurant in Germany. If you
Okay.
guys may go back to Germany,
Yeah,
maybe.
September.
In Christophstal. Kennst du das? Christophstal
Where
is in
is
the
that?
Nähe von Freudenstadt.
Ah.
And it's a very small village. Kecil banget village ya.
Okay.
Itu Tal in a valley, ya,
Aha.
turun ke situ. Nah, at the end of the road, when the road finish, itu
Yeah.
ada satu restoran kuno yang punya restorannya nenek-nenek, udah ibu-ibu, udah tua.
Okay.
Dia jalanin restorannya berdua sama anaknya dua. These two boys are chefs, ya nggak? They cook, the boys cook, and she's serving.
Okay.
At that time she was 75 or something, almost 80 years old. ya.
Right.
Dia serve sendiri. She makes the beverage, and she serves the food. Sometimes the son comes out and says, the best Zwiebelrostbraten, and they have a big garden, and everything comes from the garden. All the vegetables
Wow.
in summer comes from the garden.
Wow.
Excellent food and value for money. Really big and fresh. Christophstal. And the place called
Yeah, I know.
Gasthof zum Bad. Das war's.
It's not too far.
Gasthof zum Bad.
Okay.
It's not so far where she lives.
Okay.
Okay, sambil bikin ini.
Alright.
This one a bit prettier. Ta-da!
Nice.
Almost.
So you wanna cover it up again to
Yeah.
let it rest?
Yes.
Okay, now what I do is I put a little bit, little by little, I put the thing inside, and you just whisk. We put little by little. Why? So the egg doesn't become scrambled. You just whisk, just whisk.
It's a bit like making mayonnaise or aioli. Just with warm.
So basically, you temper the eggs, nah? Because if you put the egg away around inside here, it becomes scrambled. Because the milk is too cold, too hot.
Too hot. Okay.
So that's why you do it this way.
Can you please invite me more often for your show?
Yeah.
It's like a free cooking lesson every time.
Yeah.
I didn't know
Pelan-pelan, eh?
that.
Pelan-pelan.
Okay. Plan for you, and I was fast.
You know, when I was in apprenticeship, I had to make Hollandaise, right?
Yeah.
5 eggs, 15 eggs, 20 eggs, egg white, egg yolk, and the butter you have to put inside like this.
And if you do it wrong,
and you cannot stop whisking, right? And when you stop whisking,
Oh my goodness.
the chef would hit her on the head,
Oh
or
my goodness.
he would pull on your ear.
Wow. Because you would waste 20 eggs.
Exactly. So it was like,
What? Kalau misalnya stop whisking kenapa emang? What will happen? Kalau
dia
misalnya
bisa
sampai-
pecah, bisa pecah.
Bisa pecah.
Ya kalau bisa
Like
pecah
scramble.
udah nggak bisa ini.
Scramble.
Hah?
It
would scramble,
It
yeah.
would scramble. It's not scrambling now. Don't worry.
So this is already good, you see. Pelan-pelan aja, you don't have to be so fast.
Come on.
Pelan-pelan
Atur.
is okay.
Atur nafas, atur nafas. Come on. You can do this, you can do this.
So,
Oh, can I stop
good.
now?
Now you put it back here. You put it back here.
While whisking?
No. Just put it back. So now put it back.
Oh, it smells
Give me
like
the whisk.
vanilla sauce
Nice. Give me the
already.
whisk.
So good.
Okay. Now we put it back on the stove. Now we whisk it on the stove. We whisk it until
Till it thickens.
thickens, not too, okay? Then we have to, this will take a little bit of time, but you can feel later. You can see, once it's finished, you can see on the spoon, when it goes like this, it will stick on the spoon, right?
Yes. Then it's ready.
Yeah, then it's ready. Smells good already, though.
Smells right. Perfect.
Perfect?
It's already sweet enough.
Good.
Yeah.
Jadi, kalau kita harus tetap ngaduk ya, kalau nggak diaduk, dia bisa gosong atau dia bisa scramble. Ya. Jadi kita tetap ngaduk seperti ini, dan lama-lama kita bisa rasain bahwa sausnya ini udah mulai kental nih. Ya, ini juga saya udah bisa rasain sausnya udah kental. Dan sausnya ini harus nge-coat sendoknya. Ya. Sekarang
Like
saya tarik,
honey.
ya saya tarik lagi. Saya tarik lagi.
Kalau scramble ini kenapa?
Ya jadi sausnya lewat, jadi udah jadi telur kan. Kita nggak mau telurnya itu di scramble. Dia split,
Oke.
dia nanti kan jadi pecah gitu loh.
Oh, Oke.
Ya nggak?
Scramble tuh maksudnya jadi keras.
Iya,
atau-
jadi ada gumpalan gitu loh.
Oh,
Ya
oke
nggak?
oke. Wow.
Nah ini sekarang udah mulai, dia mulai lebih kental nih. Ya, udah kelihatan ya, dia lebih kental. Tapi dia belum, dia udah mulai coat nih. Ya nggak?
Oh,
Zaman dulu ya.
ngelapisin
Ya,
itunya ya.
zaman dulu nama ini bahasa Jerman ya, di bahasa Jerman atau di bahasa Prancisnya kita ngaduk sampai jadi rose. Sorry,
Sampai gosong.
No, rose. Rose itu
Bunga mawar.
mawar.
Oh, oke oke.
Jadi biasanya dulu tuh gini. Ya, I use not later. You look at it, and kalau ditiup, ini belum jadi rose. Kalau kita tiup nanti dia jadi kayak bunga mawar di belakangnya gitu.
Oh.
Ya nggak? Kayak bentuknya tuh kayak mawar gitu.
Oh, I can't see that.
That's when it's ready actually. But these days what they do is also zaman sekarang apa mereka lakukan, dia gini aja. Nah, ini udah mau coating nih.
Yeah,
Ya nggak?
because you shouldn't blow on the.
Ya.
on the
You should
spoon.
not blow on the spoon ya.
Ya, ya.
Ini sekarang udah lebih kental nih. Sekarang udah kerasa.
Ah.
Ini sebenarnya udah jadi nih.
I'm so glad that you're steering and I don't have to do that.
I made Hollandaise 50 eggs once with the hand.
Wow.
In my apprenticeship, I had to do that, so it was
Yeah.
like,
It's crazy.
yeah, that's something you can see now. I changed spoon, so you guys can see. Even use a smaller spoon. You can see, you see, sauces. See the sauce coats now.
But I
You
think
see?
it should still be a bit more, right?
Yeah, it's
more like a
a bit more.
runny,
A
like a
little bit
runny
runny
honey,
cream.
or
Yeah,
honey,
yeah.
right? Like almost like runny Indonesian honey. So do you think we should cook longer?
Yeah, no, it's actually already enough. You know?
Okay.
When you look at it,
And so we just let it stand
see,
for a bit.
yeah, you can see when you do like this.
Good.
Dia nggak
Oh, dia nggak
balik
langsung,
dia
oke.
nggak balik ya.
Ah.
Jadi ini sebenarnya udah oke sih. Ini kalau kita diemin nanti dia juga tambah kental dia. Karena dia sekarang masih runny karena dia masih panas.
Oke.
Ya nggak? Sama kan karamel kalau masih panas kan
Ya.
dia nggak
nggak
runny gitu.
kental-kental, ya.
Tapi tambah dingin dia
Kental.
coklat juga sama kan. Coklat when you heat it up it smells. So kita diemin aja, let it be, and then we do the Dampf noodle, okay?
Ah.
So we need the pan, yeah? To make the Dampf noodle, we need the pan. We put the sauce a bit on the side. We use this one here.
And we need a pan that we can look into.
Ya, kalau bisa pakai ini sedikit wok sebetulnya lebih bagus sih pakai pan yang flat ya.
Oke.
Ini kan sedikit kayak wok tapi
Ya.
saya sementara adanya ini yang ada tutupnya. Kita
Oke.
ini harus tutup karena ini kan semi steam ya.
Oke.
Jadi sebenarnya kita di sini
Direbus-rebus.
direbus. Kita kasih air ya. Kasih air sedikit.
Like a centimeter.
Enough? More?
I think it's enough.
That's enough ya. Terus kita kasih garam sama minyak.
Oke.
Ya. Minyak untuk supaya nanti pas dia airnya evaporate hilang itu nggak stick. Kita kasih minyak. Kemudian kasih garam.
And it will get crunchy.
And it gives this crunchiness, crispiness gitu.
Right.
Like gyoza.
Kayak gyoza. Nah ini sekarang kita kasih garam. Nah garamnya tergantung ya mau berapa asin, kamu banyak ya kasih banyak ya nggak?
In some families, they don't use garam at all.
Nah nggak mau kayak gini. Nah ini sekarang kita nunggu sampai dia mendidih. Kalau udah mendidih,
Baru.
Dampf noodle-nya masuk ke dalam.
Dicemplungin aja?
Dicemplungin aja ya. Terus kita tutup. Jadi karena dia mendidih keluar uapnya kan. Nah karena kita tutup uapnya nggak bisa kemana-mana di dalam situ. Jadi
Yang
dia
steam.
mateng kayak
Ya,
di steam gitu loh.
direbus,
Tapi
ya.
di bawahnya kan dia ngegoreng istilahnya ya. kan?
Right, oke.
Terus nanti kalau kita lihat airnya udah mau habis, kita buka supaya steamnya hilang dan di bawahnya tambah kering. Kalau dia tambah kering, nanti
Tambah garing.
paunya di bawah atau Dampf noodle-nya di
Ya.
bawah tambah kering, tambah coklat.
Ah,
Nanti
iya,
have a
iya.
crust.
Iya, iya.
Yeah, you can put 4 inside. That's good. Okay,
Zu viel Wasser, oder?
wasch zu viel Wasser, gell? Oh, das ist okay.
Kebanyakan airnya.
A little bit too much. Yeah.
Nggak apa-apa. So we just leave it.
Oke, dan ini udah dia kayak ngegoreng dan ngerebus at the same time.
Iya, ngetim.
And the funny thing is, you know when it's finished,
Nah,
it's like
The sound
you have
is
to hear
different,
it. You have to hear the sound, and if the sound is
suaranya
right,
berubah
it's done.
dia nanti.
So it's not just about seeing; it's also about hearing. Actually.
Nah, betul. It's a German dumpling in a Chinese wok. It's your marriage. It's your marriage, man.
It's us. Ini kayak
It's your marriage.
filosofinya kita banget.
Aduh.
That's why
It's a German dumpling and a Chinese wok. It's the
Yeah.
marriage, right?
Yeah. Makanya it's very much flame.
So that's your dish.
Steamy hot.
It's steamy hot.
Semi hot, salty,
Like our
a little bit,
marriage.
salty and crunchy.
Salty and crusty. Lebih sering garingnya gue deh kayaknya.
Okay.
Oke,
I open it
3,
again.
2, 1. Wow.
Wow. And
They raise.
rose.
You can have a
They
look.
rose.
They
You can have a
rose.
look.
Oke. Udah gosong ya?
Oh, it's perfect. I think.
Perfecto.
Yes.
Turn it off. Look. Very good. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Hmm?
Ideally, we would have
Close up,
warmed
look
this
at
plate.
It's very hot.
Yeah, and it's super crunchy
Tuh.
with the oil and the salt.
Okay.
And
This
it's
is
not,
what-
and it's a salt crust.
It's a salt crust, yeah.
So it's sweet and it's salty and it's soft on the top and fluffy, and then the bottom is crunchy.
And it's not burnt, you know.
No? Okay.
Excellent.
Okay, so dump noodle.
Ready?
Ready? Let's
Ready?
put it. Yuk.
Okay, I bring the sauce. Here we go.
Oh, jadi kalau bakpaunya Jerman itu sausnya di luar ya, bukan di dalam gitu kan?
Enggak,
Kalau
di luar.
misalnya kita mikirnya
Di
kan.
luar. Ya. Nah, biasanya itu kalau kayak gini kan ada festival, wine festival ya.
Ya.
Biasanya itu dijual kayak gini, banyak banget ada stand-stand yang jual kayak gini.
Ya.
Tapi biasanya pakai wine sauce dia.
Oh.
Nah,
Frothy
gini
one.
pakai vanilla sauce.
Drench it, Degan, drench it.
She wants it drenched.
I wanna have a
She wants it
more sauce.
drenched.
than-
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh.
Yes.
Needs to swim in sauce.
Yes.
Actually. Yes. I like that consistency of the sauce. It's good.
The sauce is amazing.
And then once you break up the bun, it will soak
up the sauce, yeah.
So you need a lot of sauce.
Check this out.
Ooh.
So here we go.
Okay.
Okay.
All
Moment
right.
of truth.
Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, let's try.
Will it bring me back home?
Tapi lucu ya, ini makannya pakai sendok garpu juga ya?
Iya, dia makannya pakai makan
Actually-
sendok garpu biasanya. Karena sausnya banyak. So you have to eat it with the sauce gitu loh.
You first or I first?
You go first. You know what it tastes like.
Good. I'll be back in 40.
Tastes just like at home.
Tuh, taste like it.
Alright.
Monggo.
Oh, and the salty aftertaste.
Oh ya?
Iya kan
I love
ada
it.
asinnya kan di belakangnya. Jadi manis terus ada asinnya dikit kan. Cocok itu, ya enggak?
Take lots of sauce, yeah.
Tuh, rasanya gitu.
Better than mine.
Jauh lebih enak dari yang Fios
Oh,
masak.
you mean the green ones that I made? The monster dump noodle.
Ini enak. Serius.
You like it more salty, I think.
I think so.
Yeah.
Kayaknya kalau misalnya pakai micin lebih enak.
That's the
Wow.
that's the other influence. That's the other, not the German influence.
Oh, it's so good.
It's good, isn't it?
I did not expect this. No,
Oh,
seriously,
really?
I did not expect this. Karena saya udah nyobain yang Viola punya. Ya enak banget. Tapi maksudnya kayak, ini jauh lebih enak banget.
Tapi kan gampang sebetulnya ya. Tadi kan cuma apa? Tepung, air, maksudnya awalnya tepung,
Garamnya kayaknya.
Can I keep eating while you
Yeah.
do
ya.
it?
Yeah.
Jadi cuman tadi tepung, susu, ya nggak?
Ya.
Kita ada garam,
Ragi.
Saus.
sama ragi, ya nggak?
Atau saus
sama gula
ini ya?
dikit.
Saus
Terus
vanilanya ya?
Saus vanila ya mungkin.
So
Nah ini
good
saus
vanilla
vanilla
sauce.
old fashion ya. That's
So
an old
good.
fashioned vanilla sauce. So
really
that's actually.
I did not expect this.
Lebih enak lagi kalau vanilla sausnya pakai vanilla pots, the real vanilla pots. Ya. Jauh lebih enak lagi.
But the sauce is amazing. It's so creamy.
Yeah, it takes a bit of effort, but it's okay lah.
Asin. Jadi I think when you make yours kurang asin.
Yeah, use like a whole teaspoon for 4.
Ya mungkin karena orang Asia seneng yang gurih ya. Kalau kita di Indonesia kan lebih seneng yang gurih, ada asin. Kalau kita kan biasa dengan rasa nano-nano asin, asam, manis semua jadi
rasanya.
masuk ya. Ya. Jadi kayak gitu tuh cocok ya sebetulnya.
Can't stop.
Yeah, it's so good.
Good, I'm so happy bahwa kita bisa bikin klepon hari ini.
Yes.
The She-made klepon.
Yeah.
Dan saya juga senang bahwa hari ini saya bisa membawa sedikit himat ya
Yeah.
ke Viola.
Kampung.
Gitu. Kampung.
Oh,
Kampungnya
iya,
bisa
iya,
dibawa
iya.
ke sini
Halaman,
dikit ya.
ya.
Oh, iya, iya,
Kampung
iya, iya.
halamannya.
Ya, ya.
Viola
Thank you,
dan
thank you.
Daniel, terima kasih banyak sudah datang ke sini hari ini ya.
Dankeschön.
Jangan bosen-bosen kalau saya undang lagi ya for the
Enggak.
next cooking session.
No, I would love to. I'm up for it.
Ya.
Oke, kalian semua
Ya,
terima
so
kasih sudah nonton.
The Gunners. The Gunners, terima kasih sudah nonton.
The
Behind
Gunners
Chef.
katanya.
Atau enak lebih suka mana? The Gunners, The Gunlicious, atau The Gunholic?
Nanti jawab aja di komen di bawah
Yes.
ya. Oke, sampai ketemu lagi. Saya Chef Degan, Viola dan Daniel. We are out.
Bisa nggak ya sebenarnya tetap dipertahankan sesuatu yang orisinal, sesuatu yang memang kamu bawa dengan cerita, kamu bawa dengan passion, sehingga ketika kita masuk nih ke sebuah rumah makan, kita dapat feel itu. Bukan cuma makan, membeli produk, diantarin sama waiter atau waitressnya,
Betul.
and that's it gitu. Aku
Betul.
cuma berharap jangan sampai kebutuhan akan cuan ini
Yeah.
menghilangkan si tempat-tempat makan yang sebenarnya punya soul.